Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Our today's topic is chemical species. Today we will learn about different chemical species. For example, the first one is ions. We will learn about ion and its types. What is meant by ion? Ion is an atom or group of atoms having some charge on it. For example, the charge may be positive or negative. On the basis of this charge, ions can be categorized into cation and anion. What is meant by cation? An atom or group of atom having positive charge on it is known as cation. For example, we know there are 11 electrons in sodium, and in its outermost shell or valence shell there is only one electron. After losing that electron, sodium becomes positive, so sodium is a cation. Similarly, there is only one electron in hydrogen. After losing that electron, hydrogen becomes positive, and it's also an example of cation. Now we will learn about anion. An atom or group of atoms that has a negative charge on it is known as anion. For example, chlorine, oxygen, etc. Now we will see the difference between atom and ion. Atom is the smallest particle of an element, whereas ion is the smallest unit of an ionic compound. For example, sodium chloride NaCl, that's ionic compound, and it has sodium ion and chlorine ion. Second one, atom can or cannot exist independently, whereas आयन कैनॉट एग्जिस्ट इंडिपेंडेंटली बिकॉज इस पर कोई ना कोई चार्ज होता है पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव, तो ये अकेला नहीं रह सकता, ये ओपोजिटली चार्ज आयन के साथ मिल जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी टॉक अबाउट सोडियम दैट इज पॉजिटिव, इट में कंबाइन विद क्लोरीन नेगेटिव. थर्ड वन, एटम इज इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल, इस पर कोई चार्ज नहीं होता, ये न्यूट्रल होता है. वेयर एज आयन में भी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, दैट इज एनायन और कैटायन, जो हम पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. Now we will see the difference between molecule and molecular ion. Firstly, we will do the definition of molecular ion, then we will see the difference. What is difference between molecule and molecular ion? Molecule is the smallest particle of an element or compound, whereas molecular ion is formed by gaining or losing electron. Second one, molecule always neutral होता है, जैसे हम पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. Molecular ion may be negative or positive. For example, if we talk about CH4 methane gas, तो ये positive होती है. Similarly, nitrogen N2 positive है, तो ये molecular ion है. The third difference is molecule is formed by the combination of atom. On the other hand, molecular ion is formed by the ionization of molecule. Molecule is stable. On the other hand, molecular ion is reactive species. Because इस पे positive या negative charge होगा, तो ये oppositely charge के साथ react कर देगा और ये reactive होगा. Now we will know about radical. What is meant by free radical? Free radicals are atom or groups of atom having odd number of unpaired electron. For example, hydrogen, chlorine, etc. और free radical को शो करने के लिए हम एक small सा dot इसके right corner पे लगा देते हैं. Now we will see the difference between ion and free radical. What is difference between ion and free radical? Ions are the atoms which bear some charge. On the other hand, free radicals are the atoms that have odd number of electrons, जो हम इसकी definition में भी discuss कर चुके हैं पहले. The second difference is ions exist in solution or in crystalline form, whereas free radicals can exist in solution as well in air. The third difference is ions formation is not affected by the presence of light, whereas free radicals formation is affected by the presence of light. Today we have seen the difference between ions and free radical, molecule and molecular ion. These are the short questions, and these are the important short questions.